We're reading The Magic of the Mind by Dr. Elizabeth Loftus. Don't forget to look at our vocabulary for the story, reliable, and outcome, and we will fill these in together in class. So Dr. Elizabeth Loftus is an expert on human memory. She helps juries understand visual perception and memory. When people give eyewitness testimony, they tell the story of an event they saw, usually to a jury during a trial. You might think eyewitnesses would be reliable sources. After all, they saw it, but visual perception and memories don't always match the truth. Eyewitness testimony, which relies on the accuracy of human memory, has an enormous impact on the outcome of a trial. Nothing carries as much weight with the jury as the testimony of an actual witness. But in fact, human memory is far from perfect or permanent, and forgetfulness is a fact of life. One of the most obvious reasons for forgetting is that the information was never stored in memory in the first place. Even the most common, everyday items frequently fail to find a niche in our memory. Take a U.S. penny, for example. Most people would insist that they know what a penny looks like. But in a study conducted in 1979, fewer than half of the people were able to pick the real penny from 15 possible designs. Can you? So even if you've seen lots of pennies, remembering every detail is difficult. Which one is the right design? Even if we are careful observers and take in a picture of some object or experience, it does not stay intact in memory. Other forces begin to change the original memory. Are we aware of our mind's distortions of our past experiences? In most cases, the answer is no. But precise memory suddenly becomes crucial in the event of a crime or an accident. Small details assume enormous importance. Did the assailant have a mustache? Or was he clean shaven? How fast was the car going when it went through the red light? Or was it yellow? Did the car cross the center line? Or did it stay on its own side? Cases often rest on such small details. So for our close reading, we're going to be looking at the key idea. What is one reason memory is far from perfect? So then you would put one reason memory is far from perfect is that. And you could look through the text to find that. So read critically. Underline the results of the penny experiment. How do the results support the author's point that human memory is not perfect? The results support the author's point that memory is not perfect because they... And now stretch. How does the penny study relate to eyewitness testimony of a trial? The penny study relates to eyewitness testimony because... So how does this study relate to what we're talking about?